Hello everybody, it's the it's the 26th of August today, and I'm filming all this on my mobile, so I'm hoping it won't be too wobbly as I'm trying to manoeuvre around my large beech forest here, which is in need of a summer trim somewhat, and yeah, definitely getting just a little bit shaggy. And also I wanted to raise this corner. I like being able to look underneath as if I'm looking through the forest, and so to that end, the first things I want to do is remove this branch, which has been here a long time, thrown away, but that has gone, and that's already raised it up a little, and I think I want to remove that. And indeed this, yeah, that looks better, I think. I did used to have a little ceramic border collie representation of Cooper that lived in under there, but that seems to have disappeared, and I've no idea where it went. Gone without a trace. But anyway, continuing on, that was the main thing I wanted to do to the actual structurally, realistically. What I want to do now though is just bring back the canopy back to something a little more shapely and natural looking, and I will do a proper, more proper, is more proper a word? I don't know. A more proper, better structural prune. Come winter. The garden is crying out for water, for moisture. I have managed to keep most of my trees watered through this, what they're talking about being one of the driest spring and summers on record. I have sadly lost a couple of trees, but none of the ones that I would consider my important trees. But hey ho, that's part and parcel of the hobby, I guess. Okay, so again, I hope this isn't too wobbly, but my I had a little bit of time to do this job that I wanted to do, and I went to the camera and it had no charge. So here we are. I'm going to take off a few pieces from underneath. And I think I'm going to remove that branch there as well. Okay, yeah, I'm happy with that. We'll just come around the back and give it another little trim out here. There are 35 trees in total in this forest, all grown from seed collected from a nearby country park and woodland area. When I collected them, germinated them and grew them on in pots. Not knowing quite what to do with them, hence you know, we have like a year's growth and a trim and another year's growth and a trim in all of these trees, so they've all got quite a lot of movement. But yeah, there we have it. I think that'll do for now. As I say, I'll do a more detailed structural prune of crossing branches, etc. in the winter. So, thank you so much for watching. Do all the usual YouTube things, liking, subscribing, comment below, but most of all, please, 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 stay safe everybody.